How to do super lows fast and easy. So the idea is basically you let your larynx down. In other words, do the yam sound. And stay in this voice. Do the eval. Felt this vibration here. And then you go for the distortion. But now the thing is, do it like you are very, very relaxed. So the vibration will be less, and less vibration means that you are in the lower keys. Do this shape of mouth of the keys. You see that will be a tunnel here. Put your neck a little bit in the front because you need more space here. Less energy. So that's the idea. Open a lot of space and be very relaxed at the same time. Do this eval. In a calm position. That's the idea. And try to hold a little bit this thing. Take a deep breath. So that's it.